Oh, there we go. There's some ramp modifications. I shouldn't hold the camera and try to drive. I'm terrible at it. Very terrible. Hell yeah, that's how we do it. Alright man, I'd say this thing is bashed enough. Now I need to find a new body project, I guess, right? What should I do? I don't know. I got this one from a friend, but it's hammered. Oh, Frank Stein's a little bit hammered. So we got that. Just no, you're not really just taping that to repair it.